Welcome to week 11. During this week, you're going to work on finishing your Essay 2 final draft and continue to think about argument as well as using strong verbs in your writing. So for this week, one of the reading assignments is Ain't I a Woman by Sojourner Truth, which has a huge historical significance and context. So I'd like to talk a little bit about that in the discussion this week in terms of her tone and her argument and why it's so powerful. After you get my feedback on your rough draft, you can revise and turn in your final draft of Essay 2. Make sure that you look at the rubric and see how I'm grading you, and use this as a checklist for your revision. Make sure that you continue to practice using strong verbs in your writing, so getting rid of to be verbs and then also changing passive voice to active voice. If you have any questions about this, let me know. These are a number of sentences that you can practice with as you go through the week. If you'd like me to look over any of your answers, let me know. Sometimes when we take one to be verb out, we replace it with another, so you just want to make sure you're not doing that when you're doing the sentences. And lastly, there's a chance for some extra credit this week. If any of you would like to have some peer review, you can post a paragraph or two. Tell us which paragraph it is so that's clear, as well as a question about it. What do you need help with? And then respond to other people's posts. So if you post your own paragraph in question and respond to someone else's paragraph in question, I will give you some extra credit. Have a wonderful week.